Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Hello everyone, this is Mandeep. In this video we are in Cambridge, Ontario. We are going to cover some of the driving rules here. So if you're going for your G2 or your G test, this video is going to help you out. So keep watching. We are going to turn right on the stop sign here. Now this stop sign, it's a one-way stop sign. So that means the cross traffic does not stop. It's actually a two-way stop sign. There's another stop sign on the other side. We made a complete stop here before the stop line, and there's no pedestrian crossing. So I'm just gonna slowly creep forward because we need to check traffic now. And there is a white car approaching from the left hand side. So this car is gone and the road looks clear now. So that means we can complete our right hand turn. Traffic lights are coming up, and we will be turning left at the traffic light. So I'm going to signal, shoulder check to the left, and go in the left turning lane. So now the light just turns green, and the white car is going in the intersection. We will wait here behind the stop line. So when this car starts to clear the intersection, if the light is green, then we will enter the intersection. Okay, so now we can go in the intersection, and there is oncoming traffic, so we will position ourselves here. We stop before the middle of the intersection, keeping our front tires straight, our car straight. After the white car, there is a gap between the traffic. There's no pedestrian crossing. On this side here, there's no pedestrian, so that means we can complete our left-hand turn. Okay, everyone, so yeah, so if you're in Cambridge, Ontario, we work with the best driving schools. So go to trubicars.ca to book your driving lessons. On this traffic light here, we will be turning right. So I have my right signal on, and the light is green. There's no pedestrian crossing, so that means we are good to go. Okay, traffic lights, we will be turning left. So I have my left signal on. So right now the light is red, so we will come to a complete stop here before the stop line. When you're pressing on the brake, you can also look in your rear view mirror. So let's look at this intersection. Light turns green, and there is a white car approaching. So we're just gonna go in the intersection, let this white car go first. And now there's no pedestrian on the left hand side, so that means we can complete our left hand turn. Stop sign, we will be turning left, so I have my left signal on. I'm keeping my car closer to the center line because we are turning left. Let's say if you were going right, then you would keep your car closer to the right hand side. So we did a complete stop here before the stop line. There's no pedestrian crossing on the sidewalk here. So we slowly move forward. We are checking traffic. The red car is, there is a car coming, but it's still a little bit far. So that means we can complete our left-hand turn. Going around parked cars, make sure you maintain your distance, and make sure you're also doing shoulder check. So another stop sign here, and there is a sign below the stop sign. It shows no left turn because it's a one-way street. So all the traffic is going to the right-hand side. So we're gonna be turning right, and the speed limit here is maximum 40 kilometers.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.